Continuing to respond to weekend rioting and lasting anger over nationwide police brutality, Grand Rapids leaders extended the city's state of civil emergency through June 16 and outlined actions to improve police-community relations. The City Commission voted Tuesday to extend the civil emergency, which does not impact the 48-hour curfew that expired the same day. The extension, quote, ensures the city has the flexibility and ability to respond to a dynamic emergency such as Saturday's event, the City of Grand Rapids said in a statement. The city's state of civil emergency expires at 11:59 p.m. on June 16. Quote, community members still can move freely throughout the community at all times and carry on with their everyday lives, the city added. Though the civil emergency extension does not renew the curfew that expired June 2nd, it does enable Mayor Bliss to issue a curfew again without the Commission's consent, if she deems it appropriate. Opposed to the extension enabling this power were Commissioners Melinda Isasi and Sunita Lanier, who voted against it in the Commission's 5-2 split vote. During Tuesday's City Commission meetings, of which the vote took place, the city also outlined 11 proposals it's acting on to build trust between the Grand Rapids community and police force. Among the proposals are Police Chief Payne and the Office of Oversight and Public Accountability working together to establish a Community Police Advisory Council by June 6, a virtual town hall hosted by Payne, the city manager, and other city leaders to listen to community concerns, and the Office of Equity and Engagement increasing and enhancing training for city staff around equity, implicit bias, and other related topics. On Wednesday, Chief Payne organized, stood, and marched with downtown protesters in solidarity with the demand for racial justice. Quote, it is time for us in law enforcement to realize that things do need to change, said Payne during the protest. Continuing, quote, and we realize that, and we hear you, end quote. More details about the city's civil emergency extension and actions to improve police-community relations are available in a statement on the City of Grand Rapids website, which you can find at www.grandrapidsmi.gov. The Kent County Health Department has announced expanded COVID19 testing in Kent County with the opening of 4 more testing sites. Quote, expanding COVID-19 testing in Kent County is important, said Christopher Bendeke, Kent County Health Department Community Clinical Services Director. Continuing, quote, we wanted to establish sites in the geographic areas where we are seeing the highest incidence of positive cases and where individuals have less access to transportation, end quote. The new drive-through sites are the Kent County Health Department Main Clinic and Kent County Health Department South Clinic. Both are open 9 a.m. through 12 p.m., Mondays and Wednesdays through September 1st. Potter's House Christian Schools is one of the new walk-through sites, open Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. through 12 p.m. through August 1st. The other is Baxter Community Health Center, open Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 4 p.m. through September 1st. Testing is free and available to residents over the age of 6 living in a community impacted by COVID-19 and working in a job that puts them at high risk for exposure. More COVID-19 testing locations are listed on the Kent County Health Department's website, which you can find at www.accesskent.com/health. With reopenings gearing up around Michigan, following Governor Whitmer's moving of the state to Phase 4 of the Michigan Safe Start Plan, Kent County Parks is following suit, beginning a phased reopening schedule for its beaches, campground, open shelters, picnic areas, public restrooms, and splash pad. Visitors to the area will be required to follow new health guidelines to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Quote, we are excited to welcome visitors back to Kent County Parks and for them to experience the physical and mental health benefits of being outdoors, said Kent County Parks Superintendent Dan DeLoof. Continuing, quote, however, it is critical that visitors follow our new rules that prevent overcrowding and support social distancing to ensure our parks are safe for everyone, end quote. Among the areas now open are beaches such as Millennium Park and Long Lake Park, all playgrounds, and the Kaufman Golf Course. Public restrooms, open shelters, and group picnic areas will open on June 5th. More details about the Kent County Parks phased reopenings are available on its website, kentcountyparks.org. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. To get started as a community reporter, you can visit www.therapidian.org/write. This message is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. We'll see you soon.